Hey guys, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK and JKU. We put a 3-inch zone off-road lift kit on it with Nitro Shocks, some 20 by 12 American Truxx 161 web wheels with a black and milled window finish, and some 35 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. Now this 3-inch zone lift, it is a relatively easy lift to install. It's simple, it follows the instructions, nothing's too crazy about it. We don't have any real tips to it. What we love about the zone lift is that it lets you take it from a hydro shock to a nitro shock for somewhere in the ballpark of $30. Also, you could upgrade to a Fox shock. They also allow you to add cam adjustment bolts. They allow you to add steering stabilizers. We like how zone allows you to pick and choose what you want to add and not add, whether it's a exhaust extension, whether it's the cam adjustment bolts. They leave it all there and you get to pick and choose what parts you want in your lift. These 20 by 12 American Truxx 161 web wheels, I think go very well with this PSE front bumper. It's a bumper that we manufactured ourselves. These 35 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires, they are a great middle ground tire. They're not the cheapest tire, they're not the most expensive tire. They don't ride the smoothest and they're not the quietest, but they're also not the worst. I really like them at this price point. It's a great middle ground tire. If you want more information about it, go to our wheel matchup on this tire and wheel setup. Besides that, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us a text, or give us a call at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to order these tires and wheels, or the lift, or a bumper, or a grill, or some rails, or a hood, or headlights, taillights, grab handles, anything you can think of for your Jeep or truck, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, if you're looking at this Jeep and you're saying, Michael, I love this Jeep, I love the color, I love the build, I just wish I could buy it right now instead of having to find the Jeep, send it to you, get it built, and then have my car. We are going to start posting the vehicles that we've built for dealers on our website, central-alps.com. We'll have an inventory page and we will periodically update that with our dealer's inventory so that you can go to it, you can find the vehicle that you want, get in contact with that dealer and buy that pre-built vehicle, and you don't have to wait. So, again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.